Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us solve 5.2 exercise from the chapter Arithmetic Progression. So first question number 1, the question is like this. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and AN the nth term of an AP. So this is column A, D, N and AN. So here in first bit A is given 7, D is 3, N is 8. We have to find AN. So we know AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here A is equal to 7. 7 plus N is 8. 8 minus 1 into 3. So this is equal to 7 plus 7 into 3. So this is equal to 7 plus 21 is equal to 28. So here AN is 28. If A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3 and N is equal to 8. So second bit, A is minus 18, D is not given, we have to find out D, N is 10 and AN is 0. So we know AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is equal to 0. So this implies, so minus 18, A is minus 18 plus N minus 1. N is our 10. So N minus 1 is 9. So 9D is equal to 0. So this implies 9D is equal to 18 or D is equal to 2. So here D is equal to 2. So in this way we have to apply the nth term of an AP formula. So the third bit, A is not given, D is minus 3, N is 18 and AN is minus 5. So we have to find A. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is given as minus 5. So now put the values of N and D. So A plus N is our 18. 18 minus 1 is 17. So 17 into D is minus 3 is equal to minus 5. So this implies A is equal to minus 5. So this is 51 minus 51 then plus 51. So this is equal to 46. So here we got A is equal to 46. So here you write A is equal to fourth bit, A is minus 18.9, D is 2.5, N is not given, we have to find out and AN is 3.6. So we know AN, A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 3.6. So this implies, so now we'll put the value of A and D. So minus 18.9 plus N minus 1 into 2.5 is equal to 3.6. So this implies minus 18.9 plus 2.5n minus 2.5 is equal to 3.6. So this implies 2.5n is equal to 3.6 plus 2.5 plus 18.9. So this implies 2.5n is equal to 25. So this implies N is equal to 10. So here we got N is equal to 10. So next fifth bit, A is 3.5, D is 0, N is 105. Then we have to find AN. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is equal to A is 3.5 plus 104 into 0. So this term is 0. So answer is 3.5. So AN is equal to 3.5. So in this way you can find the missing thing by applying the nth term formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Next, question number 2. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So first bit, 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4 and so on is dash. We have to choose the answer. So first we have to find, so the AP is 10, 7, 4 like this. So here A is 10. A is the first term, that is 10, and D is 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. Then we have to find 30th term, that is A30. So A30 is equal to A plus 30 minus 1 into D, that is equal to A plus 29D. So that is 10 plus 29 into 3. 29 into minus 3. So this is equal to 10 minus 87. So this is equal to minus 77. So here the answer is minus 70. So let us solve bit 2 of question number 2. 11th term of the AP minus 3 minus 1 by 2 2 is dash. We have to find the answer. So here the AP is minus 3 minus 1 by 2 2 and so on. So here A is minus 3 and D is minus 1 by 2 minus 3. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 3. So this is equal to 2 minus 1 plus 6. So this is 5 by 2. So our D is 5 by 2. So we have to find 11th term. A11 is equal to A plus 10D. So this is equal to minus 3. A is minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. So this is equal to minus 3 plus 25. The answer is 22. So here the option B is the correct answer. Next, question number 3. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. So bit 1, 2 dash 26. That means first term is given and third term is given. We have to find second term. So here A is 2 and A plus third term means A plus 2D is equal to 26. So we have to find D. So 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. So 2D is equal to 24. D is equal to 12. So D is equal to 12. So our second term is A plus D. So 2. So second term A2 is A plus D. So that is equal to 2 plus 12 is equal to 14. So here the missing term is 14. Then second bit. So A is not given. Then A3 is not given. Then A4 is given and A2 is given. So what is A2? That is A plus D is equal to 30. Then fourth term A4, that is equal to A plus 3D is equal to 3. So by solving these two equations we have to find A and D. So subtract. So this is minus 2D is equal to 10. So this implies D is equal to minus 5. D is equal to minus 5. Then put the value of D in first equation. So A minus 5 is equal to 13. So this implies A is equal to 18. So here A is equal to 18. Then A2 is 13. Then our D is, so A3 we have to find. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. That is equal to 18 plus 2 into minus 5. So that is equal to 8. So A2 is our 8. So in this way, so let us solve the next question. So our third bit is 5 dash dash 9 1 by 2. So our A is given. A is 5. and this is our fourth term. That means a plus 3d is equal to 19 by 2. Then we have to find a and d first. Then we will find a2 and a3. So here put the value of a. So 5 plus 3d is equal to 19 by 2. So this implies 3d is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. So this is equal to 19 minus 10. That is 9 by 2. So this implies d is equal to 9 by 2 divided by 3. So this is equal to 3 by 2. So our d is 3 by 2. So what is a2? a2 is equal to a plus d. So that is a is our 5. 5 plus 3 by 2. So this is equal to 13 by 2. So this is 13 by 2. Then a3 is equal to a plus 2d. So this is 5 plus 2 into 3 by 2. So this is equal to 8. So a3 is 8. So a2 is 13 by 2 and a3 is 8. So next bit, minus 4. So first term is given, second, third, fourth, fifth term we have to find out. Then the a6 or sixth term is given. So here a is equal to minus 4 and a plus 5d, that is a6. So a plus 5d is equal to 6. So this implies minus 4 plus 5d is equal to 6. So this implies 5d is equal to 10 or d is equal to 2. So again we will find a2, that is a plus d. That is minus 4 plus 2. This is minus 2. Then a3, that is a plus 2d. That is minus 4, 2 into 2. That is 0. Then a4, that is a plus 3d. That is minus 4 plus 3 into 2. That is 2. Then a5, that is a plus 4d. That is minus 4 plus 4 into 2. That is 4. So this is minus 2, this is 0, this is 2 and this is 4. So in this way we can find out the missing terms. So next fifth bit, dash a is not given, a2 is given. a2 is 38. a3, a4, a5 are not given. Then a6 is given. a6 is minus 22. So from this we have to find a and d. So a2, that is a plus d is equal to 38. So here a plus 5d is equal to minus 22. So now we will subtract the second equation from first equation. So this is minus 4d is equal to 60. So this implies d is equal to minus 15. So what is a? Then here we will put d. So a plus a minus 15 is equal to 38. So this implies a is equal to 38 plus 15. That is 53. So our a is 53. Then we have to find a3. So a3 is a plus 2d. That is 53 plus 2 into minus 15. That is 53 minus 30. That is 23. So a3 is our 23. Then a4 is equal to a plus 3d. That is 53 minus 45. 3 into 15, that is 45. That is 8. So next term a5. a5 is equal to a plus 4d. That is 53 minus, that is 4 into 15. So 53 minus 60. That is minus 7. So in this way, so this is minus 7. So in this way we can find the missing terms.